Hey, this is Patrick, and in this video I'm going to talk about the different ways you can draw. We call these drawing modes. They're available from several of the tools on the toolbar, starting with the Draw tool and the Wall tool. There's a lot of overlap between those two. The difference between a draw and a wall is that a wall actually has a thickness, but the way that you draw these things remains the same. So I'm going to start here on the Draw tool. You can see that I have 5 different options. If I tap on this first one, that's continuous line. We also have continuous line and arc. The difference there is that when you draw with continuous line, it will only produce straight lines, and you draw without ever stopping. And so the continuous line and arc allows that same sort of behavior where you can draw without stopping, but also allows you to make non-straight lines. The next one down we call line and arc. It is also a precision tool. The difference between this and continuous is you draw one segment at a time. And why you might want to use this is it does give you a lot more control over actually how those lines appear. Next one's a freehand mode, and as it sounds, you can make any sorts of freehand, non-precision type drawing. Then the last here is the rectangle. It's useful when you want to just draw a rectangle or square. You start at one end and you drag to the other. The only difference here is that this object is considered a single object by the app. So I can't come in here and immediately change just that top line. However, I can select it as I have here, come to my More icon and say Break Apart. Once I've done that action, then each one of these lines is separated. As I mentioned, we have a wall tool that has 3 of the same ones we just covered. And as mentioned previously, the difference between a wall and a line is that the wall has a thickness that you can define. That's it.